How to remove Google account from other devices? To do that, you need to simply open any browser of your choice on your device. You need to search My Google account. Once you search for it, you need to scroll down and select here the Google account link. You'll be taken to this page where you need to tap on Google. Go to Google account at the top right of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this page where you can simply tap on profile of this Google account and change your Google account as well. Once you select the Google account, you need to swipe to the left and find our security option. Tap on security and scroll down until and unless you don't find your devices option. Once you find out your devices option, tap on manage all devices. Now here you can see the list of devices that you have been logged in. Simply select any device you want to remove. Here once you select the device, you need to tap on sign out, and to confirm you need to tap on sign out again. So this will remove access to your Google account from the device. So when you tap on sign out, you can easily remove Google account from other devices. This is how you can easily fix your way to remove Google account from other devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.